Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. The Street Fighter series is finally here. It's time to pick your favorite character, or in this case, your favorite watch. Let's check them out. In August 2020, Seiko announced the release of the Seiko 5 Sport Street Fighter 5 series. In this lineup, Seiko released 6 watches that represent 6 characters in the Street Fighter 5. Like choosing a character in a fight, we will go through the design queue on these watches and see how they fare. Although these watches may look similar, save for the aesthetics, they are not equal. Let's start by mentioning the rudimentary details that are standard in all 6 watches. They are all powered by the 4R36 caliber automatic movement with manual winding capacity. It has 41 hours power reserve and 100 meter water resistant. It has a unidirectional rotating bezel. The crystal used here is hard lex, and the day date is displayed at the 3 o'clock mark. Now all of the case size of these watches, except Zangief's, are measured at 13.4mm in thickness, 42.5mm in diameter, and 46mm from lug to lug. We will talk about Zangief's case size later. First stop, Ryu. The SRPF19K1 represents Ryu's philosophy in becoming a true fighter. Ryu's relentless attitude can be seen in the scratch-like marks on the bezel. Yes, the scratches there are deliberate. When you think about Ryu, you think about the color red, white, and black, which is what is seen here. The bezel has the white rectangular markings indicating a 5-minute intervals and a white reverse triangle at the 12 o'clock mark. The scratches are all in white. The black on the bezel runs past the 20 minutes mark, whereas the rest of the bezel is in red. Now the dial on this watch is interesting. It resembles Ryu's judo uniform, thereby giving it a fabric-like design which matches with the white fabric-looking strap on the watch. The characters on the 9 o'clock position are the Furikazan kanji characteristics on Ryu's glove, which stands for Wind, Forest, Fire, Mountain. Among all 6 watches, this has the best luminescence on it, where the hour indicator are all big chunky rectangular lumi-bright except the 3 o'clock, which is the date, and the 9 o'clock position. The hands on the dial are stainless steel. The case of this watch is stainless steel with polished finishing. The weight of this watch is only 93 grams. Now, all of the watches has an open case back where it features the Street Fighter 5 logo and a controller's command of each of the characters' famous move. In Ryu's case is the Hadouken. The case back will also feature a limited edition number. Oh, did I mention that these are limited edition watches of up to 9,999 pieces each? That makes it a total of 59,994 limited edition watches, and I digress. Now the front of the strap is made from canvas materials, whereas the reverse side is black calf leather with the kanji characters Wind, Forest, Fire, Mountains printed on the tip of the strap on the reverse side. My only problem with this design is that the kanji characters on the strap will remain hidden, and the white canvas on the front is a stain disaster waiting to happen. The next watch is Chun-Li. When you think about Chun-Li, naturally the blue and the gold comes to mind, and I think this design on the watch is the best rendition among the 6. The blue bezel has gold Chinese numerals on it. Unless you know how to read Chinese, you might have a difficulty using this bezel. The dial on the watch is a plain sunburst blue with Chun-Li's dress collar design on the 12 o'clock mark. The rest of the hour indicators are metal studs with the 6 and 9 o'clock resembling the spikes on Chun-Li's bracelet. This is the only watch that has a train track minute indicator on the rehalt. The only lume on this watch is on the hour, minute and seconds hand, which is a shame. The hands on the dial are stainless steel. The case is stainless steel with polished finish. It is 96 gram. Now, the controller command at the back features Chun-Li's spinning bird kick. As for the strap of this watch, it is rather disappointing, although it is the prettiest. Like the problem I have with Ryu's strap, Chun-Li's is probably worse. Firstly, the blue leather strap does not have matching stitches. Secondly, the leather is a little too hard for my comfort. Thirdly, the beautiful design at the back of the strap, which supposedly resembles Chun-Li's belt, is whitish. Sweaty hands? Stay away. The third watch here is Ken Masters. I have to say that I really can't see Ken in this watch. Anyway, the black bezel has red markings and numerals. The black dial with red linings supposedly resemble the costume that Ken wears. The rehaul is red with black minute indicators. The hour indicators are also black but has luminescence capability, although not as great as Ryu's Hadouken. The Seiko 5 logo at the hands are painted gold, where the hands also have Seiko's black lume. The case is stainless steel with black hard coating that is polished finish. Yellow gold color plating is used on the side of the bezel and the crown. 93 gram is its weight. The back of the watch features Ken's famous Shoryuken controller command. The strap here is another leather with canvas materials used at the front. The canvas here is red with the additional black leather strip sewed at the center of the strap where the holes are. The reverse side of the strap is black leather with the Masters Foundation logo printed at the tip of the strap. The strap here, like Ryu's, is a little too hard for my taste. The buckle on this watch has also black coating to match the case. Next is the disproportionately huge bicep Guile. The military green bezel has a white 60-minute countdown timer with a red 00 at the start. The dial is a military camouflage pattern with his military patch at the 6 o'clock mark. At the 9 o'clock is the dog tag of his best friend, Charlie Nash, which he carries around all the time. A good touch, I must say. This is the only watch that has a rehauled design that look like this. The hour indicators here are numbers without luminescence save for the number 12. The hands are all stainless steel with black lume. The case is stainless steel with black hard coating that is matte finish. The watch is 94 gram. The back features the controller command, you guessed it, Sonic Boom. The strap here is a brown calfskin leather with white stitching. This is perhaps the softest leather compared to the earlier three. The buckle here matches the black on the case. It would be cool to see design cues on Guile's unique hairdo or his sunglasses on the watch. Anyway, I am happy with this design. The fifth watch is none other than Blanka. I have only one word to describe the green-yellow electric discharge pattern bezel: useless. The bezel design is based on Blanka's rolling attack. The indices are in the image of his sharp teeth, which doesn't have any lume on them. The only lume on this watch is on the yellow lume hands and the yellow/green arrow at the 12 o'clock mark. The rehaut is in orange with green minute indicator. The case is stainless steel with hard coating on it that is polished finish. It is 95 gram. The controller command at the back of the watch is for electric thunder. This watch features a green nylon strap with orange strip at the side. A Blanka Chandor is printed on the back of the nylon strap end. Last but not least, Mr. Zangief. This is the only watch that is made out of stainless steel with yellow gold plating on both the case and the bezel. The bezel has steel stud resembling Zangief's belt, which renders the bezel useless. The dial has a circular press pattern reminiscing his cyclone lariat movement. The bold 6, 9 and 12 numerals, chunky indexes, and magnifier on the day date highlights Zangief's strength. You heard me right, there is a magnifier on this watch. The hands are coated yellow gold with black lume, like those in the indexes. Because of the magnifier, the measurement on this case is 13.6mm in thickness, whereas the case diameter and the lug-to-lug remains the same with the rest. Naturally, it is the heaviest of them all, weighing in at 97 grams. The back features the controller's command for the screw power driver. The yellow and red nylon strap here showcase Zangief's wristband. There you have it. Each watch is unique and they all have their own strengths and weaknesses. Although I like Ryu's character the most, I think Guile wins this round, being a watch that resembles the character well, a good-looking piece, and is a practical watch. What do you think? Which watch do you prefer? Share with us at the comments below. Now, I have one last thing to add. If you were to look at Seiko's promotion material, where it features Ryu, Chun-Li and the 6 watches, you will see a third character behind Ryu and Chun-Li. Who could that be? Do you think this is an indication that Seiko will be releasing more Street Fighter series limited edition watches? What do you think? Let us know at the comments below. If you like this kind of video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to support me, and I'll really appreciate it, and I promise to upload more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.